If you're married and the sex feels like it is fading, you start to tell yourself stories, right? Something like, she's not attracted to me. Oh, she just has low libido. She's just tired. Most of the time, that is not the real issue. She's not bored of you. She's bored of how you do it. Same pace, same routine, same predictable approach, same rushed foreplay. Desire doesn't die from time. It dies from pressure, repetition, and a life that has zero tension in it. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn desire back on in your life and with your wife and with real life examples so you can actually use it. No cringe, no begging, no date night schedule advice. This is about bringing back romance, seduction, and anticipation. Women don't want less sex. They want less boring sex. Most men think foreplay is just 5 minutes before the actual act itself. But for women, foreplay starts at the very end of the previous orgasm that she had. Meaning, your presence tomorrow matters. Your energy in the kitchen with her matters. The way you look at her matters. How safe she feels matters. How desired she feels matters. You don't flip a switch at 10:30 p.m. and expect her body to respond if she's been in mom mode, stress mode, and management mode all day long. Desire needs a plot. It needs some pacing, it needs space, and it needs some masculine leadership. So here are the steps. Step 1, remove the pressure. Bring back some sort of invitation. Pressure kills desire. Invitation creates it. So here's an example. You've been rejected, you're frustrated, so you start hinting, touching too much, asking, are you tired, fishing for a yes. Now she's managing your mood instead of feeling desire. What to do instead? Stop negotiating sex. Stop asking for damn reassurance. Make a clear invitation and then back off. Something you can say to her. Later, I want you. No pressure. Just putting that in your head. Then you drop it and you leave it alone. Walk away. Plant the seed, walk away. You go back to being a man with control. Step 2, take the load off of her damn nervous system. If her nervous system is fried, desire is not just going to magically show up. It is not that simple for women. So you do not ask her to relax. You create the relaxation for her. Here are some real life examples that you can start this week. Number 1, the bath, the whole setup before she even asks. Warm water, Epsom salts or bubbles, candles ready, towel ready. Then you walk in and calmly say this. I've got the kids. Go take a warm bath. I made it for you. No rush. Enjoy. Oh my gosh. Imagine. No expectation. No. And then no, you just care and do it. That alone turns her back into a woman instead of a task machine. Number 2, the massage with time, not a 2-minute shoulder rub that quickly turns into a booty grab and secret foreplay. No, a real massage. Slow, intentional, no grabbing, no rushing. Say this, lay down, I'm taking care of you right now. Instantly turned on. And then you actually take your time with it. When she feels cherished, arousal comes back online real quick. Step 3, bring back the plot. Desire needs a damn plot. Marriage kills desire when the plot disappears. Plot means something is building. Here's an example. Lead with this. Don't say, we should do something this weekend. No. Say this instead. Honey, I scheduled grandma to take the kids this weekend. We're going out. I already planned it. Let's go. Leadership is erotic as hell because it removes decision fatigue. She can relax into being pursued. Number 2, the midday seed. Text her at 11:30 a.m. Honey, tonight I'm taking my time with you. My gosh, those simple words. Then shut up. Let it sit in her mind. Let her create an erotic movie in her brain. That's the plot. Step 4, Pace like a predator, not a damn teenager. Most men rush. They touch like they're trying to get somewhere. Slow down. Predictable rhythm kills arousal. Real life example. You kiss, hands go to the same places, you escalate fast, and she already knows the damn script. What can you do instead? Slow down on purpose. Pull back when she expects you to push forward. Here's an example. You kiss her neck. Then stop. Look at her. Smile. Say this. Not yet. Then go do something else for a minute. Water, music, lights, anything. Make her guess. Pacing creates hunger. Step 5. Create erotic distance inside the marriage. Erotic distance is not emotional distance. It's space that creates some appetite. If you're together all day, scrolling on the same damn couch, talking only logistics, desire dies like instantly, dudes. Here's an example. She never misses you. She never wonders. She never anticipates. So what do? Have your own damn mission. Hit the gym, build your goals, and show some direction. And stop making her your emotional oxygen tank. A woman desires a man with gravity. Step 6. Turn off logistics at night. You can't discuss bills, schedules, and your mother-in-law, then expect lust. Turn it off. Make a rule. No logistics after 7 or 8 p.m. and honor it. After 8 p.m., you talk like lovers again, not coworkers. Step 7. Aftercare is part of foreplay. Foreplay starts at the end of the previous orgasm. Drill that into your head. Here's an example. You finish, you roll over, the phones come out, and instantly are disconnected again. Her body remembers that as what? A transaction. What do you do instead? Arm, head on chest. Pull her in. Stay present. No phones. Say something like, I love how you feel when you let go. 5 minutes of presence changes the whole week. Step 8. Make her feel chosen, not claimed. A wife doesn't want to feel owned. She wants to feel desired. Say it. I'm still choosing you. I'm still chasing you. I am still hunting you. That hits different than you're my wife. So here's the truth. Again, she's not bored of you. She's bored of how you do it. Remove the pressure. Take the load off of her damn nervous system, bring back the plot, lead the weekend, slow your pace, turn off logistics, nail the aftercare, goddammit, and make her feel chosen. If you want, I'll do a part 2 with exact texts, exact lines, and a 7-day plan that you can run starting tonight. It's up to you.